Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power on and off NUROUM headphones. And to do this, as you can see, they are already powered on, and there's this LED lamp blinking, and that tells us that the headphones are powered on. And to power them off, we'll need to take a look on, I guess, a left headphone. And there's a button right here, and we'll need to press and hold it for a few seconds until you see that the LED lamp flashes red, and that means they're powered off. You'll also hear noise. Then if you want to power them on, you will need to perform the same thing, so hold the same button. You'll hear the sound, and now the LED lamp is flashing, and that means they are powered on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.